Wanna create videos without having to show your face or even use your voice? Don't miss this video. In today's video, I am going to introduce 3 AI tools which you can use to generate photos based on your own prompt, turn your videos into anime, and create talking photos. To create talking images, in the first step, we need to generate our image. I'll use Leonardo AI tool, but you can use any other image generator you like. To open the Leonardo AI tool, you can click on the link in the description below and it will take you to this page. This is the login page. Now you have 2 options. You can log in using one of these accounts or enter your email and password. Once you signed in, it will take you to the main page. Click on Image Creation, go to this drop-down preset menu, and select Anime. Then you should select the preset style, click on it, and click on Anime Semi-Realism. You can also select your image dimensions. I will select 16 by 9. At the end, I will click here to close this window. Now copy and paste your prompt here. Click on the Generate button to create your first photos. There we go. If you don't like the images generated, you can keep editing the prompt. To reach your desired result. These are my first 4 photos generated, and these are the second 4 photos generated. By the way, you can copy and paste this prompt from the description and customize it for yourself. I have also copied and pasted the link of the channel I was inspired for this part of the video in the description. Remember, you will be given 150 tokens per day as a free user, and each image generation takes 10 tokens. To reduce this amount, you can use the old version of Leonardo AI by enabling this legacy mode. Then click on this drop-down menu and go to Leonardo Anime XL. Now you can copy and paste your prompt here. There we go, but keep in mind using the old version of Leonardo can affect the quality of image. At the end, if you have used the old version of Leonardo or the new version, you should click on the image to see the preview and click here to download the image. To animate the image, we use Wondershare Verbo. You can click on the link in the description and it will take you to this page. This is a tool very easy to use that offers you various features like fixed background, 4K avatars, realistic avatars, talking photos, voice cloning, and more. Now you can either download the free version of the application or use the online version. I'll click on it. I've used my Gmail before to sign in. Click on Talking Photo. Upload my photo using this tab. Confirm. It takes a while to upload. Then as my photo is selected, I'll click on Next. Here in this box, I can copy and paste my script, or I can easily type it. Next, I can choose a voiceover and the accent.
In a groundbreaking development, a team of international scientists.
As you see, they have different accents from different countries: Chinese, German, USA, and others.
Amidst the historically,
I select Ava. You can also add a background music, adjust the volume, pitch, and speed. You can also play it to check it if you like the speed and volume.
Thank you for watching this video so far.
I like to reduce the speed a little bit.
Thank you for watching this video so far.
Also, you need to know if you have recorded your own voice, you can add it to the project in this window. You can drag it here or click here and select your file. Everything is good and I'm good to go. Create video. My video is ready here. I can check the preview.
Thank you for watching this video so far. Thank you for watching this video so far.
Perfect, and I click on download video to download it. Now the only thing is left is that, as you see, as I have used the free version of Wondershare Verbo, I have a logo here in the bottom left corner. To hide the logo, I opened the CapCut application, import both the video and my image. Drag your video to the timeline and then your image in the layer above. Now, as you see, my picture is now in the upper layer, so it covered my video completely. Now I will go to the mask tab and select horizontal. Put my mask line here.
Thank you for watching this video so far.
I easily hid the logo by using the mask in CapCut. And at the end, I just need to export my video. Go to media.io/lab/AI restyle/result. You can click on the link in the description. It will take you to this page. Now click on create new video. Here you can log in either using one of these accounts or by creating an account using your email and setting a password. Once you logged in, you can see that you've been given 3 credits to use as a free user. I believe each credit is for generating 10 seconds of video. Click on create new video. Now in this window, you should select the gender, the style, and then click on input video to convert to import your video. Okay, in this window opened, I can again change my style. I'll go ahead and put it on K-pop. Here you can trim your video. And don't forget, each credit is for generating a 10 seconds video. Now I will go ahead and click on confirm to convert. In this window opened, you can enter a new email or keep the same email. You use for logging in. Because once your video is generated, it will notify you on your email. Because once your video is generated, you will be notified through your email. My video is 8 seconds and it will take around 5 to 10 minutes to be generated. My video is ready. Let's watch it together. It has turned your real video into anime in a very unique way. At the end, I will go ahead and click here to download my video.